Hey guys, it's Lance here. Today I'm going to be unboxing this Flutophone. The Flutophone is a very easy recorder thingy. And I do have one, another one. It's like the Flutophone, it's the same fingering, I'm sure. Okay, without further ado, let's unbox it. So this is a white and red Flutophone. It says it's a Flutophone trophy. I unboxed it from the bottom. Wow, guys, look at this. As you can see, for a size comparison, this is more of a professional Flutophone. They call this one, the black one, the song flute. But they are kind of the same. Their holes are the same with their mouthpiece. This one is definitely longer. And this one here, let's try it out. This also has that double note in there. So wow, I like it a lot. I love just the sound of it. So this one is kind of blowy, like. But this one is kind of easier to play because I think that the holes stick up, and I think that's a lot easier than this one where the holes are kind of in there. What I really like about this also is this thingy. So you can stand it up. Easy, you don't even need a stand. And as you can see, the ridge in the back fits your thumb, like clarinets do that. The thumb hole in the back. These holes are kind of popped up. So this one is actually in a different tune though. Oh, the mouthpiece can slide out, that's why. So this does tune. So here, let's try to play its lowest note. That's about the standard recorder. I can hear the low C. Listen. So this is standard recorder tune. This is Flutophone tune, I guess. So which one do I like better? Honestly, I like them both because this one is a lot easier to play, but I love the shape of this one, and it's also out of tune though. But anyway, thanks for watching. Subscribe to Lance Taylor.